The White House backs the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act. ECB's Vucic, responding to questions from EU lawmakers, says the definition of medium term depends on shock ECB faces.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
All right, mic check, mic check. That working? I think the mic's low. Hello, test one.
Fib.NQ on
All
the
right,
5.
that should maybe do it right there. Good morning, good morning.
Fib.NQ
10 minutes till the U.S. Open. Let's get going.
Economy Ministry official on the Schwerter refinery says we are in very close and constructive dialogue with the US authorities on the extension of the OFAC general license for Rosneft Deutschland.
All right, don't forget trading is risky and all that business. There's 1 day left of the Valentine's Day, President's Day offer there. I think it's 14 hours left.
States must be brought to an
Yes, expires tonight at midnight, so take advantage of that. You're getting the monthly for just $1.99 a month. 14 hours left on that. Let's go back out one level and let's take a peek at the higher time frames. Enigma's calling tops a couple of times in here overnight. This is from this morning. some, there's a lot of movement here for a Tuesday morning. And I like the look of it. This is some smooth movement here. All right, Control R here. Let's remove all drawing objects. Don't forget yesterday was President's Day, so oftentimes we might get some extra movement today because there's like this, kind of like this pent up, hey, I need to get my orders filled type of scenario on a day after. Markets have shifted over the years, and full automation has come into a play on a lot of things and made a few changes. Speaking of changes, let me make sure I'm on the right accounts here. That's good. Yep, no, wrong one. Okay, there we go.
Double delta NQ on the
Okay. And let me check the lanes. Yep, okay. The bots are on the right account. I'm on the right account. Reset the boards here this morning. Gonna go for 5 trades. And within 5 trades, looking for winner, winner, chicken dinner. If you have not been through the 8-day boot camp yet, make sure you get through that. Don't want you to be lost. Sure you know what's going on. Fastest way to get up to speed on what we're doing here. It sometimes some people say, oh, it looks too complex. It's I really would encourage you to take a look. It's not. We are simplifying. I think that trading is complicated. I think trading is complex. There's a lot of things to it, but I think that we have actually simplified it. This right here is one of the keys to that right here. Currently moderate buy on the nerd. What is that? NASDAQ, ES, RTY, and the Dow combined, telling you, hey, what is the bias right now across all 4 correlated instruments, not just your own. So if I'm trading the NASDAQ, well, what about his friends? Give it like that. Like, what about your buddies? What are they doing? Then if we combine that 1-step filter here with my local arrow, meaning this one right here on the MACV, currently is a red arrow right there. So if I just go in that direction on scalps or bigger time frame plays, I'm going to be on the right side of the trade the majority of the time. All objects, and will also give me bigger trade opportunities if you are with the current. If you're think about it, going into a river and you're going with the flow or against it, same levels of effort, same stroke, but it's going to be easier. You're going to be able to go farther, etc.
34.
Okay, we might see a little bounce here. We've got a mega late Nate with a, it's actually a super mega late Nate over here on the right high time frame. Remember, we are minutes before the US Open, about 5 minutes here till the Open. And that is super because it's already DD. Plus, we got both crosses, the 4.2 and a white cross in there with a mega late Nate going on right there. Higher time frame. I'm not going to execute anything on it yet because that is a long and both just shifted to red. So real easy way for me to filter. I've got red right here, right color here. We'll do red, and we've got red on the direction filter. So with those two combined,
34.
Looking for the short. So if I get a long play here, if I do take it, I need to be scalping T1 only in a scenario like that because I don't have the current with me. Does that make sense? And really, it is as simple as that. The next part of things that you might need to know, here's a cheat sheet. Print one of these out. You don't have to, know every single one of these, although I do encourage you to learn all of them and then apply them to the order of operations. This is what you will get if you open up your chart for the first time with our installer. We'll have the 5-chart layout. You need to go down to a 3-chart layout on a laptop or a lower end machine. You can do that with the 3-chart layout there.
Lower bands touch
and we'll walk you through. Like my screen is a
Around
little
12 minutes,
bit
there's a new window of
off
opportunity
there. Let me
has
get that
opened,
set. There
and
we
we are
go.
hopeful that negotiations will lead to a sustainable and
Be right
negotiated
about there.
solution.
Okay. 3 minutes now to the U.S. Open. Got full auto across 6 instruments up top: Nasdaq, ESR2Y, the Dow, and crude oil and gold. Oh, announcement or reminder. Hello, crude oil rolled over. Make sure you are on the 04 contract on crude oil. Been on the 03. That's one that rolls over monthly. And my reminder came up there this morning to roll that over. So I am on the crude oil 04 contract. All right, make sure you guys get that rolled over. And let me see. Let's get our chat here on screen.
On the 9. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
2 minutes now before the U.S. Open. Might be a tricky spot for a play here. Don't get tempted in. Instead, do me a favor. Hit that like button here. Oh, blue dots call bottoms all the time. We might... Oh, okay. I would like to take that play. We saw an amazing blue dot yesterday that literally ran at about 500 ticks yesterday. That was wild. Yeah, hit that like button and let me know where you're coming from there this morning. Say hello to everybody here and also keep me out of any place here for the next maybe minute and 30 seconds. And where is that chat? Move this up. Using down there.
Enigma short on the NQ3.
Good morning, Plutonium.
Get the markets on open imbalance.
Good morning from PA for Missile. Awesome. Good morning, Kazi. Good morning, Dork. Real-time protection. Thank you for reminding me. No, I forgot about that this morning. I did not do that. Yep. Need to turn that off. Real-time protection on your antivirus turned off there. No inhibitions. Nothing inhibiting you. Scanning files as you're trying to execute. You need the orders flowing in uninhibited. We have 30 seconds now to the U.S. Open. Yeah, that would have been a nice blue dot bounce right there. That move 85 ticks to the upside on that blue dot call, bottom of the channel. Ten seconds. Good morning, Rick. Good morning, Petro. Here we go.
2-finger NQ long on the upper bands touch NQ on the
Markets on open imbalance.
5.
S&P 500 buy side of 138 million. Nasdaq 100 flat. Dow 30 buy side plus 5 million. Mag 7 a sell side of 8 million.
Double delta NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 5. Enigma long on the NQ on the 5. Fib.NQ on the 5. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
Okay, nice little headshot in there.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
Would have liked to have taken that one. Little super right in front of it. Said get ready, take the next play, and then it just happened so fast, couldn't react there. A little bit too fast here to start. Super. Oh, there goes the super AO for the bounce.
34.
You'd have to be very quick on the stick to hit those real quick.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 89. Enigma long on the NQ3. Fib.NQ on the 5. on the 9. Divergence down bands touch NQ on the 34. Double bands touch NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Touch NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Touch NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 9. NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 5. NQ on the 9. Divergence down NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
That Super AO got something started there, didn't it?
Touch NQ on the 34.
400 ticks to the upside on that Super AO.
On the 34. Fib.NQ on the TY1.
Okay, we've got a spot here to potentially short. Oh man, it happened so fast.
Double delta NQ
again.
on the 9.
Generally speaking, I want to sit on hands for the first 5 minutes there. We had a deep dot come in right there. Here's the next test for the bears. Yep, there they go. So, yeah.
Lower bands touch
wanted to. Literally was so difficult to take that. We've got too fast being
NQ on the 34.
Here right at the open here. 9:32 wild open.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. NQ on the 9. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
Nice little power headshot in there with the delta shift.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
Just a little too fast for me this morning.
34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Divergence down NQ on the 34.
Okay, that's a green crack, so bulls do not have control here. I'm going to look for the next short play.
Fib.NQ on the 5.
Okay, there's a dot. My first play here this morning. Good position there. My 35 ticks. I got T1.
Fib.NQ on the 5.
Okay, second red dot broke there. I'm going to pull half, take a small loss here first, as the second dot broke. Back to neutral now. Yikes. Enigma is about to okay, add in on the 6.3. One more. Oh, come on. There you go. Yikes. Turned into a switch dot right there. Full Enigma long there. Yikes. I might be getting on the wrong side of this here. What is all of that? My Super AO. Delta shift. Come on, shift for me.
Two-finger NQ on the 34. Double delta NQ on the 34.
Got up top here.
Touch NQ on the 34.
Fire close. Looks like they're running to it.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Dirty dog. Alright, they broke through that red dot. Yikes.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. NQ on the 89.
Tempted in here. We had 10 more seconds. If I had just waited a little bit longer here.
Delta NQ on the 9.
7 seconds till the 5-minute passed.
Upper bands down NQ on the 9.
Fire close.
Upper bands on the NQ on the 34.
DCR over on the top. I'm going to go full in right here at the double cross divergence. Oh, I got a max. No, see, I forgot. But okay, max.
Long on the NQ3. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Divergence down NQ on the 34.
Oh no.
NQ on the 9. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
What are they doing to me here?
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Fib.NQ on the 5. Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 9. Enigma long on the GC2. Divergence up NQ on the 5. Two-finger NQ on the 34.
We are neutral and red. What deal here for NQ? NQ is going against the grain here. Now it's green.
NQ on the 34.
Yikes.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 34. On the 34. Double delta NQ on the 9.
A pink dot coming in here on the higher time frame. See if that's going to help me out.
NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
A fat red day yesterday. Is it going to be 2 in a row?
Fib.NQ on the 5. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Two-finger NQ on the 34. Enigma long on the NQ5.
Another Enigma test right here, and yeah, still every Enigma is hitting to the long side.
Upper bands short on the 89. Enigma long on the
All right, I'm going to close the bots. The bots are up 5K. They caught into that move. I did not.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
I am so off my game here. Flatten off. There we go. Flatten off. Flatten off. Close.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ long on the YM2. Fib.NQ on the 5.
I came in unprepared here this morning for
expectations. Upper bands
I
touch
think I just
NQ
got
on the 31.
lulled into it.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 5. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Big red dot on the 89s.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
First set of sells.
Enigma short on the NQ9. Two-finger NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 34. NQ on the 34.
Red dot on the 89.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
Not making it easy on me at all.
Enigma long on the RTY1. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Double delta NQ on the 5. NQ on the 9. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
No, it's 29. Thank you for that. It's too fast for me to switch it right now. But yes, I forgot to save that workspace yesterday.
Double delta NQ on the 5. NQ on the 9. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Double delta NQ on the 5. Enigma short on the GC2. Divergence down NQ on the 9. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Oh, come on.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Enigma long on the NQ5. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Double delta NQ on the 34.
Well, it looks like I should have just let the bots do their work there this morning. Bots up 5K, and I am taking nasty heat there this morning.
Fib.NQ on the 5. Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 9. Double delta NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 5. Enigma long.
It's not even giving me a chance to react there.
Double delta NQ on the 5.
Could have peeled half there at that dot.
Lower bands touch NQ.
Got lucky on that one.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 5.
For me one more time. Come all the way down to that second rope. Come on now.
Fib.NQ on the 5. Enigma long on double the NQ3 on the 9.
Don't you do it in Q.
NQ3.
A mega late Nate on the right. Last hope.
Two finger NQ on
Thank
the
you.
34.
Beautiful DCR there. That is a super DCR. Come on down.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Double delta NQ on the 5. Fib lower band double delta NQ on the regions of fib dot NQ on the NQ5. Fib dot NQ on the 5. Fib dot NQ on the 9.
Red Enigma there for me. Bulls are so strong here. Just running it.
Enigma long on the GC2. Double delta and double delta divergence of double delta 30 lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 30. Double delta NQ on the lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
I believe I slip clicked there. I am so off my game.
Up NQ on the 9. Double delta NQ on the 9. Dot NQ on the 5.
Click the right chart, Vinny.
Enigma short on the RTY1. Fib dot NQ on the 9. Double delta NQ on the 5. Fib dot NQ on the 5.
Ridiculous, bro. Couldn't even capitalize. I literally slip clicked.
Divergence up NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Divergence bands touch NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
All right, I'm going to take the loss here. Absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. All right, I am on full tilt, y'all. This is not my day. I've got to get my head in the game. I am doing all kinds of. Anyway, I can't talk about it. I am off my game. I got to get my head in the game. I'll have to see you guys later.